how to transfer Apple Cash to Venmo. So here's what you want to do. Open up the Apple Wallet on your phone, and here we just want to add our Venmo debit card. So you will need to use a Venmo debit card in order for this to work, but basically you will just add your Venmo debit card to your Apple Wallet. So here I'm just going to click on add different card, continue, and you can just hold your Venmo debit card near your phone and it's going to detect it, or you can enter the card details manually. It's going to ask for the name, card number, click on next in the top right, and that is going to add your Venmo debit card to Apple Wallet. So how can we transfer over the cash? So basically how this is going to work, once you have Apple Cash set up here, you will be able to view your balance, and in the top right you can transfer your funds to your Venmo debit card if you have successfully connected it to Apple Cash. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.